Hi everyone, welcome back to Tigran's channel. Today I want to show you how to do index matching. So I've got a ready-made data here and I want to show you how we can pull the cells for Portugal using index match. So we'll start by saying index. So you can see here it asks you the array. So the array, being that we're looking for cells, will be any data under the cells. So you can drag or simply click once, then shift, scroll down, comma. Now, for the row number, we are going to use match function, and the lookup value is Portugal, and lookup array is Portugal falls under the countries. So then control shift down, or you simply drag. For my case, I'm dragging just to let you because the data is small. If it is many, you just shift control down. Then the match we are going to take 0, which is the exact match. Then you close, then end. So when closing, you have to do double closing because we have index match. You see, when you just close one, as you have seen the error, you'll continue getting there. So you close and also close for index and also for the match because you are having two functions. Then enter. As you can see, what we are having here is 65,468. That which is the same as what we have under Portugal. So it's as simple as that. As well, we can also automate so that you find countries just by a click. So I'm going to automate the lookup value, that is the column C3. Let me just highlight so that you get it. So you're going to do that by data validation. So just come here, say data validation, change to list, and the source to be the countries. Then okay. Now when here there is now a list of countries. So when I say Holland, it will, you can see. When I say Austria, it reflects. Thank you for watching and welcome for more.